Makita never disappoints. Very well made tools for a great price. I would recommend it to anyone from a contractor to a DIY homeowner. Great product overall. I like the grip handle and the solid feel of the driver. If you need it for lighter works loads, you might want a smaller battery than the 3.0Ah. Test it at a store. I love it, great quality, thank you Makita. This set came as fantastic upgrade to my 5 years old drill. The large battery lasts long time and charges quickly. The battery level is really handy to determine when to charge the battery. The brushless motors run very cool and there's no sparks, also the size of the tools is smaller because of that. These tools are very powerful. The driver especially has only one speed setting and you need to get used to use the trigger to throttle the action. I ended up with several destroyed screws heads and screw bits before I got used to it. I would still not use the driver for soft wood and drywall, because you can accidentally power through the material. For those situations I use the drill and set the proper driver resistance. The drill chuck has a very nice tightening feature and it'll tighten the bit securely with minimum effort. Some people hold the chuck and pull the trigger to tighten or get the bit loose. One should really avoid to do that with this drill. Click link in description for more reviews.